Assalamu alaikum, students. Nowadays we are doing exercise 2B. Now we comes to question number 3. So first of all, I will read the question for you. It is, according to the question, it is given. Find the coordinates of the image of the point 1, 4 under a clockwise rotation of. Okay. In this question, you have to find the coordinates. Okay. And they gave you the condition. First one is according to A part, 90% about the center 4 and 2, and then 180% about the center, again the same point 4 and 2. Okay. And basically the starting point is 1 and 4, and you have to give the clockwise rotation of 90 degree and then 180 degree. Okay. So we come to the solution. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, this one is the question number 3. As I already read for you. Here, they give you the point, which point is given 1 and 4. Okay. And you have to, according to A part, you have to tell them 90% clockwise rotation. Okay. Always remember, whenever you want to give clockwise rotation, first step is that you have to move that image or that point to the center. And for moving that point to the center, it is necessary that we have to subtract the given point. Which is given point? That is 4 and 2. We have to subtract it from this image. And what is the image point? 1 and 4. X-axis is 1 and y-axis is 4. So we have to subtract this 4 and 2. So this 4 becomes minus 4 and this 2 become minus 2. We can give them any number. Okay. First point 1 and 4, I will give them Q, and the second point N, I will give them minus 4 and minus 2. Clear? So here, look here, plus 1 and minus 4 both have different sign. So it means that we have to subtract the values. Always subtract greater from the smaller. So 4 minus 1, it is equal to 3. So what is the sign of the greater number? Minus. So I have to write minus 3, because as being a Muslim, we all know respect the elders. So we have to place the sign of the greater number. So when we have to subtract 4 minus 1, we will get 3, and the sign of the greater number is minus. So we will get minus 3. Clear? Comes to the second, plus 4 minus 2 again have different sign. So 4 minus 2, it becomes 2. And what is the sign of greater number? Plus. So we have to write plus 2. So after subtracting this point 4 and 2 from this point Q, 1 and 4, we will get minus 3 and plus 2. Okay. So for first step, according to A, we have to take clockwise 90 degree rotation. So for clockwise 90 degree rotation, we have to replace their position. So Y become X and X become Y, and we have to change the sign of the second. So this plus 2 become X, and this minus 3 will become Y after changing its sign. So minus 3 sign will be changed into plus. So what is Q dash? It is equal to plus 2 and plus 3. Clear, beta? Now comes to the next point. What is the next point? We have to, for making them in the center, I have to subtract the point. Then I have to take clockwise 90 degree rotation. And what is the last point? Yes. Last point is that again I have to add this 4 and 2 in this 90 degree rotation, plus 2 and plus 3. Okay. So I have to add Q dash. This one is Q dash into this point, initial point N. Okay. So plus 4 plus 2, and I have to add this plus 2 and plus 3. So plus 4 plus 2 become plus 6, and 3 plus 2, it becomes 5. This is A part. Okay. So first of all, I have to draw that on a graph. Then we comes to the B part. Clear? So commit. Initial point is 1 and 4. Okay. And after taking 90 degree rotation, the point is plus 6 and plus 5. Okay. So we have to come to the initial point. Look here. This one on x-axis we have 1, and for y-axis we have 4. So it becomes 1 and 4. The second, which I have to take it now In A part 90, after 90-degree rotation, it becomes on x-axis. Look here, this one is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X-axis, we have 6. And for y-axis, we have 5. Look here, 6. And then y-axis, 5. Look here, 6 and 5. So this point is n dash. This is A part, n dash, 6 and 5. Now comes to the B part. Okay. According to the B part, it is given in the question, we have to take 180 degree about the center 4 and 2. I will do it for you. Look here. As we have done, look here. This one is the B part. We have to do 180 degree about the center. For 180 degree rotation, either it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. How we have to change the position? We just we don't for 180 degree, we don't interchange the position of x and y. We just change their sign of the board number. Okay. So look here. This one is, what is q dash? +2 and +3. Okay. Q dash, because the first step is same in both these two cases. Because initial point is 1 and 4, and then the point which is given is 4 and 2. So first of all, I have to change the sign of 4 and 2, and I have to subtract. I will get this point, -3 and +2, which I got -3 and +2. Now we comes to part B. This one, -3 +2 is same in both these two cases. So according to 183 clockwise rotation, xy changes. How it will change it? Just sign will be changed. Their position will remain the same. So -x, -y. So minus mean I have to change the sign. So -3 will change into +3 and +2 will change into -2. This is q dash. Now I have to add q dash and n. So +3 -2, this one. +3 -2, and this one is +4 and +2. +3 -2 q dash. I have to add this n, that is 4 and 2. So +3 +4 become +7, and -2 +2, it cut out, it becomes 0. So look at the diagram, beta. Look here. This one is the initial point, the q, +1 and 4. And now here in part B, we'll get 7 and 0. So I have to join this line. Okay. And next point, which I have to go n dash, 90-degree clockwise rotation, we will get that n dash. It is on x-axis 6, y-axis 5. So it becomes in this way, the diagram. This is q, this is n, and this is n dash. Clear to all? This is all about question number 3. Okay, then Allah Hafiz.